This is a story of a school boy. His name is Prem. He reads in a co-educational school. There is a large garden in the compound of the school. One day, Prem comes to a school. He sees a man with an axe. The peon of the school is with him. Prem asks the peon, "Who is the man with the axe?" "The woodcutter," replies the peon. "What will he do with the axe?" says Prem. The peon says, "He will cut an old mango tree for wood." In the meantime, 5 or 6 another kids gather there. "But why?" another kid asks. "A dollhouse for the girls will be made from the wood," says the peon. All the children are shocked. "A dollhouse for the girls? You can't cut our friends." Even the girls do not like the idea. They start pushing the man from the tree. They are adamant. The principal comes. He asks, "Don't you want a big and nice dollhouse?" The children say, "No, these trees are our friends and give us air to live." The principal says, "I am proud of you, my boys and girls. No one will kill your friend. We will make a tree house for you."